And welcome back, everyone. It's Between Bells here on CHEDDAR. With 4th of July right around the corner, fireworks retailers are selling out fast. They're seeing record sales so far this year. So joining us now is the CEO of Phantom Fireworks, Bruce Zoldan. Bruce, great to have you here. Thanks so much for joining us. Families are itching to get outside, entertain their kids. A lot of those people won't be able to attend county or city displays of fireworks this year because of the pandemic. So what is Phantom Fireworks seeing in response to this so far?
Well, thank you for having me. And certainly we're seeing unprecedented sales since the state started reopening and allowing retail stores to open. Phantom opened their stores, and we've had a tremendous demand for consumer fireworks, and it hasn't let up since Memorial Day.
Bruce, with a wave of so many first-time buyers this year entering in the market, how are you guys still ensuring customer safety still at the same time with this?
Well, our products are very well made, and they're made to be safe if used properly and if you follow the directions on each item. We have a very, very rare issue with liability claims. Over 10 years, you'd be shocked at the low number of liability claims a company like ours would have, and that's pretty much the case for all legitimate consumer firework companies. We have a organization called AFSL, American Fireworks Standards Laboratory. It's like the UL label on electrical items, and all of our items are tested and they meet very stringent demands on making them safe. Fuse burn time, certain amounts, how much they weigh so they don't tip over, pyrotechnic compounds so they're not over the limit. There's no such thing as M80s, cherry bombs, or silver salutes, but they make beautiful colors and they are safe to use if you follow the direction and you're a responsible adult.
Bruce, in addition to the record sales, you guys are also employing a lot of workers. You guys are seeing a boom in hiring. Most recently, you guys hired about 3,000 new employees. What are you attributing the influx in hiring to? Is this the pandemic or is this seasonal work that you guys are seeing this from?
Well, certainly we have increased seasonal workers, and this year has been a very difficult year in finding employees because of the extra incentive package that many people are getting on unemployment. So it's been very challenging in all of our retail stores across the country, as well as our distribution centers, finding employees. But we are employing about 3,000 to 3,500 in the big season of April, May, June, July, and then we go down to about 700 in the off season.
Bruce, compared to last year, did you guys see a sales increase earlier this year? Is this year different? Why so?
Well, it started when the stores again started opening based on the state governors opening up states. We were closed from mid-March, an entire country of stores. We have 80 brick and mortar stores. We were closed from mid-March till approximately mid-May, and then started opening the stores. And within a few weeks, we made up for the lost time in those 2 months that we were closed. And then it just continued to be astronomical sales every day, doubling or tripling previous year sales on those particular dates.
Bruce, I got to ask you about this. A lot of cities across the country have been seeing and hearing a lot of illegal fireworks displays really throughout the night. Here in New York City, I haven't slept in a week because of all the fireworks displays. I'm curious, what's your take on this?
Well, it's certainly because Americans, for the most part, were in home isolation. They came out of home isolation after 2 months, very frustrated. They came outdoors, and there weren't many places to go. You're not traveling. Most people aren't traveling. Most people aren't going to theme parks. They're not going to movie theaters. And unfortunately, this year, they're not going to big firework displays. So their entertainment is barbecue, a picnic in the backyard, and what better way to end that with consumer fireworks as your entertainment.
All right, Bruce Zoldan is the CEO of Phantom Fireworks. Great to have you here, Bruce. Thanks for joining us. And coming